The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
Guys, Trader Cobb here. Hope you're all well. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. That's at Trader Cobb, C-O-B-B for Bravo. Jump on my Facebook, give me a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to jump on to www.tradercobb.com and get on to the bi-weekly video trading newsletter that I send out. Guys, I talk about flawless execution a lot. You heard me say it before. I talk about structure, I talk about strategy, I talk about routine. But it all comes down to how you execute all of the above. Trading and success in trading long term, I'm not just talking about this turkeys flying in hurricane phase, I'm talking about being able to take your strategies into any marketplace you desire and still make a living. And that's what I can do, that is what I do, and that's what you can learn too. It's all about the execution. It needs to be flawless from the high level all the way through everything you do. A uniform and unified approach will yield better results. So what's the first thing on flawless execution? First of all, you need a strategy that makes sense to you so that you stick to it. It's that simple, guys. Somebody might come out and go, hey, I've got this strategy, it's made me $10 million this year. Great, that's fantastic. But it's a goddamn algorithm that they wrote and they're an absolute mega brain. Well, it doesn't make much sense to me, so it's not going to work for me. You've got to find something or someone that can provide you with something that makes general sense to you, and then throw yourself at that. So that's the first thing, a strategy that makes sense to you. You've got to make sure that that strategy is actually real. So a strategy is not having a bunch of indicators and knowing how they work. A strategy is not learning about all the different names of different patterns. Now that's not a strategy. That's like learning that the triangle fits in the triangle box. Okay? Understanding and having a true trading strategy is when you can write those rules down. That is the definition of a strategy, in my opinion. You need to be able to go back to this strategy and go over it and recheck it and then score yourself and do reviews of your trades. So you've got to be able to write that strategy down. Every time you take a trade, you've got to back that up with screenshots, guys. You've got to review. You can be your own best friend. You're the fastest person that can help your personal development is you. Or you can be your own worst enemy, which is by not focusing on what's important, taking trades because you're after the buzz. You're not after actual gains. You want gains. You think that you're doing what you need to do to get them, but you're missing the accounting part. You're missing the accountability part. And let me tell you, going back to the screenshots of the trade you took when you took those screenshots is going to help you to develop when you use that against a written checklist, because you'll be able to see, hang on, why did I think that was this? It clearly isn't. How did I get that wrong? And you'll get an insight into your own way of thinking and how important that consistency and routine approach is in the power of now. It will all start to sink in once you start to review your trades. Review them at the end of the day, week or month. It's up to you. Block them together. Do a review of one trade. Do a review of 10 trades and see if you can get a correlation. See if you're making consistent mistakes so you can catch them quickly and fix them even faster. Seek out mentors that trade the same way you do, or that can teach you how they trade and can give you continued ongoing support. If you want to learn quickly, then learn from somebody who's already learnt. I got 11 years of experience in this sector and I don't know it all. There's absolutely no way in the world. But I tell you what, I've probably made more mistakes than you, which means I can probably help you to skip through a number of those mistakes. And that's the whole purpose of having a mentor. Who's someone you can turn to when you need the help? That's your mentor. Hopefully that's me, guys. And as always, I hope you've enjoyed this little snippet. Don't forget to share this, please, on your socials, as this is all free content that I'm putting out. And I hope that it helps you. So please share this to your community. Go to tradercobb.com. Shill the hell out of it if you wish to. But let's continue to grow this phenomenal community. I'm absolutely loving the support that I'm getting. Thank you so very much, guys. Let's continue to build a very positive space and place with no misinformation in cryptocurrency here at tradercobb.com. Thank you very much and have a fantastic day. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.